I want to talk about this universal gun cleaning kit that Unio sent me to do a video on. Nice thing about this, everything in its place and a place for everything. You can see right there, this really helps you keep things organized. And this is great. They say universal because this can clean just about any firearm that you have. This is going to be great for rifles, shotguns, handguns, black powder or musket. So this is going to be great. You get pretty much everything you need to clean. The only thing that's missing is the actual gun cleaning oil. But you can see right here, you get a number of mops, you get a number of adapters. Right there, some utility brushes to clean stuff off. And right here we have the brass rods, and you can see right there, they lock in place so they're not going to be racketing around. Who's this going to be good for? Pretty much anyone who's an outdoor enthusiast and use firearms and wants to make sure that they keep them in good care. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself, click on the link in the description below.